Say hi.
Hi, good morning, Miss V.
Oh,
Diba? Good morning. I had something for you, Miss B. Bigay ko na lang po kay, kay Mr. B. Ano ba ang B?
Wow, tanong, dami pera. Puno ng pera.
ayan si Mr. B. Ayan, saan at saka yung hubby niya. I need hot water. Kasi yung throat ko. Hi, long time no see. And here's Ricardo, one of the... Ha? Para yatang na-promote na siya. So sabi nila, Hi, Miss Ferlin. Kumusta? Nag-live ko. Nakakuha ko. Hi. Connected ko sa wifi mo. Ay, kung may wifi ka, di yung wifi mo na lang. Huwag mo nang kunin yung para sa app. And here's our producers. There's Ricardo and Erwin, Joe, and his wife, Lisa, Mr. B.
Oh,
Okay.
do you have the cake?
So sabi nila, Hi, Miss Ferlin. Kumusta? Nag-live ko. Nakakuha ko. Hi. Hi. Huwag mo nang kunin yung para sa app. And here's our...
I think I like.
Hi, Miss Gail.
I like beer.
Hi, Miss Halen. Hi, at hi, my Melka. Hi, Shane from Zamboanga.
Anong gusto
Hi, Lane.
beer?
Sierra.
They have Modelo or something.
Hi, Arlene.
Heineken.
What would you recommend?
Yeah, I know.
Mas wasabi.
Oh yeah. Actually, good for the
Hoy, ang mas puti.
Kasi may, creamy ginger black.
Okay.
I asked and then they recommend the feedback.
Good morning. Again, hi Gina. Hi Eva. Hi Mo. Hi Maricel.
ito, pauwi na bukas.
Bukas Mr. M.
What are you
Oh
getting?
yeah, thank you.
Hindi ko pa alam.
If I can help, I would like to speak one thing. So,
Basi, kanina lang po dako.
sana mabuhay natin.
Butter with
Basically, butter with spices.
Aha, napasaya ni Mr. B.
May fraternity ako.
Oo, magipag-ano ko sa kanya, magipag-comment.
Hi, Fed. Good morning. Ano, good evening na pala dito sa sa Aruba kasi 12 hours and difference.
Really place. I worked like 15 years. And we're 29 years in business. Okay. But for parties, it is really, thank you for your day. There's nothing like it. I'm sorry? Yes, of course.
She wants to be a cook. She's a cook. Ito lang pala, 30 minutes lang so
PM, yeah.
That's 450 tonight.
They happen.
Yeah, it's
Nag-live ka
just
na.
keep on working.
Hindi kailangan ko
No talking, keep on going.
hashtag.
And when you're done, clean up your station.
Hi, Lynn. Good evening. Ha? Lalaway ka na. Hi, Chona.
Ha?
Ooh.
Anong inano mo, Fab Squad? KK.
KK, Sam Squad. At saka si Chris. Ayan na. Tapos, ka rin, add mo yan.
Ano ba mag-member niya? Hindi ko ako makuha yun.
His page.
Lang, sa KKK Sam Squad mo.
Tapos, hashtag Chris Lawrence.
Hashtag Chris Lawrence.
That's not really good here. That's right. Ito?
Oh, yung may 39, yung 59K.
Kasi,
Ayun may ano mo, i-reset mo. I-reset mo. Tell me if you're ready or...
Okay.
I think I can more finish.
Yeah.
A little addict.
Alam mo yung budget mo.
Behave, Jack.
Inaano ko rin, live ni Mojack. Nakaland na sila sa Charlotte. Ayan, take over ni Mr. B.
Hi, guys. Kayo na lang tutukan.
Wait, not here.